Churachandpur district ki Tuibong ki traffic island manakta security force ki Casper gari na miyoy ani thomlammi haibagi wahauda Tuibong ki mafam singda lariba khoisaunaraba kuki gi miyoy singna lambida tholaktuna security force ki gari sing amang ata thokhanba khangnatna May thapana chingba tarakpadagi mafam aduda irang laksinaba security force ki maikaidagi miyam sing tanthoknaba tear gas kaptuna tankai kre hari bathodogasi March ki tarik 15 gi numidang pung 3 makhai rom tarakpada security force ki Casper gari na miyoy ani thomlambadagi irang hena chawthoraktuna numidang athengba faubada mafam aduda security force na irang laksinaba akan mamawongda hotnaki security force na mafam aduda irang laksin lagasu numidang gi athengba ahingda Bishnupur district Phagaucha Ikhai police station na konba Phagaucha Ikhai da kuki militant sing na maitai sing na namna tariba maigairom tamna nongmai kaptharakpadagi mafam aduda leiriba miyam sing ahing tumna kide kuki militant sing na nongmai kaptharakpa khaknatana bom pokhai bagi makhosu taki haina su mafam aduda leiba khunja amana SKTV da phongdoraki
SIT certification and SIT law enforcement in NEH region haibahira masida numit humi chathakadaba workshop cum awareness program ama iroi shembada leiba College of Agricultural CAU ki conference hall da ashidagi hogdokre AICRP on seed crops COA CAU ki meeting makhada College of Agricultural CAU Imphal sinuna pangthokpa workshop cum awareness program aduda horticulture and soil conservation amadi agriculture ki commissioner oiriba Thaithuilum Pamai Athoyo Mithunglen oina charuk yakhi COA Iroi Shemba CAU Imphal gi Professor Indira Sarangthem College of Agriculture Iroi Shemba CAU Imphal gi Dean Professor K Nandini CAU Imphal gi Research Director Dr. LM Garnayak amasung AICRP on seed crops COA CAU gi Nodal Officer Professor N Barjendrana charuk yakhi Horticulture and Soil Conservation Government of Manipur gi Director K Devadutta Sharma amasung Agriculture gi Director Peter Salam yauna tuan ba district single lady ba horticulture agriculture KBK gi thaumi ke yasu video conference ki khuthangda charuk yakhe India ke Prime Minister Narendra Modi na malem gi oina quite popular oiba luchingba amukhana oiba ngamkhre America re based toba data analytics firm Morning Consult na haukiba March ani dagi na nipan fauda chathakhiba malem gi oiba quite gi noba survey aduda rating cham gi manungda India ke Prime Minister Narendra Modi na chada muripan phangduna malem da quite gi popular oiba leader oikhibani amarom da United States of America gi President Donald Trump na rating cham gi manungda kuthamapan phangduna quite gi rating yamba tara faugi manung faubda chanmangam Amaronda European ki luching sing maruina United Kingdom ki Prime Minister Keir Starmer na rating cham agi manungda kunmari khat phangki amari France ki President Emmanuel Macron na rating cham agi manungda 33 khat phangduna khwaidagi yamdana phangba luchingba oiri